Today we are going to learn about how to arrange number in descending and ascending order, and today you will also learn how to write number that comes before, after and between. Learn about ascending and descending order. What does ascending and descending means? Ascending means going up and descending means going down. Order you will arrange number from smallest to biggest number, and in descending order we will arrange number from biggest to smallest.
14 और 15 पेज वो होमवर्क है टीचर.
Don't ask me any question. If you have any question, you can ask at the end of the lecture. So we are going to learn about how to arrange number in ascending order. In ascending order, we start from the smallest number. Here number is 213, then 230, then 245, then 277, and we end with biggest number, that is 291. These numbers are arranged from biggest to smallest. In descending order, we start with biggest number. So 291 is biggest number. Then 277, 245, 230, and last is 213. So 213 is the smallest number. So in descending order, we arrange number from biggest to smallest. Now let's learn how to arrange number in ascending and descending order. Put these numbers in ascending and descending order. Remember, always first we check hundred place, then 10 place, and then unit place. So we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Here question is given. Here question is given 234, 324, 546, 123. So we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order and in descending order. First we arrange these numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order we start with smallest number. So first we check the hundred place, which digit is smaller in hundred place. 2, 3, 5, 1. Which one is smaller? 1 is smaller. So first we write 123. Then see, after 123, three numbers are remaining. 234, 324, 546. Now check which hundred digit in hundred place is smaller. So after 123, three numbers are remaining. After three numbers, 123. Three numbers are remaining: 234, 324, and 546. So which digit is smaller at 100 place? 2, 3, 5. 2 is smaller, so we write 234. Now two values are remaining: 324 and 546. Now see which digit is smaller at 100 place, 3 or 5. 3 is smaller, so after 234 we write 324. And then 546. So these numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger number. Here 123 is a smaller number and 546 is biggest number. Now arrange the number in descending order. In ascending order, we arrange number from biggest to smallest. So first we observe which value is biggest in these four values. So first we check 100 place. 2, 3, 5, 1. Which digit is biggest? 5 is biggest. So we write 546 first. And after 546, three values are remaining: 123, 234, 324. So see which digit is smallest at 100 place. 1, 2, 3. Which number is biggest? 3 is biggest. So you will write 324. 2. 2. After 324, two values are remaining: 123, 234. Now observe, after 546, we write 344 or 24, and now we have two values are remaining: 123, 234. So check out the 100 place. Which 100 place is biggest? 1 is biggest or 2 is biggest? 2 is biggest, so you will write 234 first and at last 123. So these numbers are arranged from biggest to smaller. In descending order, we start with biggest number and end with smallest number. Now open page number 15 in your books. Put these numbers in ascending order. Here question is given. Put these numbers in ascending order. Remember, check 100, then tens, then unit place. See in number 2 box. Here question is given: 262, 256, 389, 361. We are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So which digit is smallest at 100 place? 2, 2, 3, 3. There are two twos, so we check if 100 place are same, so we check tens place. 6 and 5. Which one is smaller? 5 is smaller, so we write first 256, comma. After 256, three values are remaining: 262, 389, and 361. In these three values, which one is smaller? 262. So after 256, we'll write 262, comma. Now four values. Now After 262, two values are remaining, 389 and 361. So which one is smallest? If we check 100 place, so in both values 100 place is same. So we check tens place. 8 is smallest or 6? 6 is a smaller number, so we write first 361, comma. Now 389 is left, so at last we write 389. So these numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger number. In ascending order, we start with smaller number and end with bigger number. So here 256 is a smaller number and 389 is bigger number. Now see in question number 2. Question number 2 is put these number in descending order. See in box 2. Here question is given 389, 396, 369, 400. So we are going to these number in descending order. In descending order, we arrange number from bigger to smaller. So first, yes, ma'am. So which one is bigger in these values? First, we check the 100 place. There is 3, there is 3, there is 3, and in this value, 4 is at the 100 place. So 4 is bigger, so we write 400, comma. After 400, 3 values are remaining. 389, 396, 369. So 100 place are same in 3 values. If 100 place is same, then you check tens place. Which 10 place is bigger? 8, 9, 6. 9 is bigger, so you will write after 400, 396, comma. After 396, two values are remaining, 389 and 369. So which one is bigger? 303 and there is also 3. So both hundreds are same. So what will we do? We will check tens place. So in first value, 8 is the tens place and 6 is at the tens place. So which value is bigger? 389. So 300, after 396, we will write 389, comma. Now we have left only 369. So at last we write 369. So these numbers are arranged from bigger to smaller. In descending order, we write first 400, then 396, 389, 369. In descending order, we start with biggest number and end with smallest number. Is how to find out the before, between and after number. So there are some 300 digits. To find out the before number, we count the numbers in backward. So here number is 567. Which one? 567. So which number comes before 569? We count backward. 566. And which number come before 566? 565. So in before number, we count backward counting. Now we are going to learn how to find out the after number. So here there are three-digit numbers. Here number is 833. So if you want to find out the after number, so you will count the number forward counting. So which number come after 833? 834. Which number come after 834? 835. Now we will learn how to find out the between number. So there are three numbers: 836, 837, 838. So which number comes between 836 and 838? 837 comes between in 836 and 838. Now let's practice before number. Here number is given 173. So first thing, which number comes before 73? 72 come before 73. So we will write here which number come before 173. 172 come before 173. Now the before number, you will count the number in backward. So which number comes before 400? 399 comes before 400. Third number is 530. So think which number comes before 30. 29 comes before number 30. So you will write here 529. After number, we count the number. In after number, we count the numbers in forward direction. So which number comes after 190? First thing, which number come after 90? After 90, 91 comes. So you will write here 191. Second number is 665. So you will find which number come after 665. First thing, which number come after 65? 66 is come after number. So after 65, 66 is come. So you will write here 669. Now see in third box, here number is given 989. So first thing, which number comes after 89? 90 comes. So you will write here 990. Now let's practice between number. So you will going to learn about how to write the between numbers. Here two numbers are given, 136 and 138. So which number comes between in 136 and 138? Think which number come after 36? 37 comes. So you will write here 137. So 137 comes in between 136 and 138. See in second box, there two numbers are given, 777 and 779. So which number comes between in 777 and 779? So which number comes after 77? 78 comes. So you will write here 778. Now there are two numbers, 109 and 111. Now think which number comes between in 109 and 111. So first you think which number comes after 9? 10 comes. So you will write here 110. So 100 comes between 109 and 111. So you have learned about before, after and between numbers. This is your home assignment. Kindly note down your home assignment. Write the numbers in words from 100 to 250. And you will also complete page number 15 in book. You will complete the remaining parts of this page. This is your home assignment. Kindly note down your home assignment. Write the numbers in words from 100 to 50. And also you will complete page number 15 in book.